Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. Today I'm gonna show you how to download ChatGPT on mobile. To get started, open Play Store app on your mobile. Now in search box type in ChatGPT and in search result this will appear. Click on install button to download it on your mobile. Now wait for a while. Once it's done, you are good to go and you will be able to use on your mobile.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.